Riviera Electric is an electrical contracting company based in the Greater Toronto area. Typically on an average home, it takes 4 ventilation fans, one in the powder room, one in the main bath, one in the ensuite, and one in the laundry room. And on this phase, there's 120 homes. We switched to Panasonic fans because we found that over the other products, it's much easier to install, quicker, it's much quieter, and the look of the grill is much nicer.
Panasonic's EcoVent is an Energy Star ventilation solution that is designed for the new construction market. It helps solve previous problems of mold and mildew and inefficient airflow. Typical CFM requirement for building code is 50 CFM. The Panasonic EcoVent fan has a Veri-Boost switch that allows the fan to go from 70 to 90 CFM, allowing it to meet airflow requirements.
The Panasonic fans come in 2 separate packs. One for the rough-in stage when you install the housing. Once it's drywalled, painted, we install the motor and the grill. The whole process should take no longer than 5 minutes.
Riviera Electric has been instrumental in helping us get our EcoVent fans specified with large national home builders.
I really recommend other contractors use this product. A, they're compact, B, they're energy efficient, and C, they're very quiet.
Panasonic.